AudioControl LC-1.800 high-power mono subwoofer amplifier with Accubass. When you demand the perfect blend of power and performance, AudioControl provides answers, and the LC-1.800 is no exception. No matter the install, you can be assured power will meet and exceed expectations with 800 watts at 2 ohms. The mix of high-level and low-level inputs mean you have the widest input voltage range in the industry. AudioControl's patented Accubass circuit is the only way to properly overcome factory bass roll-off and heavily equalized factory bass settings. Enjoy loud, clean and articulate bass combined with the best warranty available with the LC-1.800 amplifier. Features: subwoofer amplifier with patented Accubass, 800 watts at 2 ohms, 500 watts at 4 ohms, Accubass processing, MILC maximum input level control, patent pending, GTO signal sense, 24 decibels, octave Linkwitz Riley alignment crossover, speaker level and preamp inputs, optional ACR-1 assignable remote control, solid one-piece aluminum chassis, top reviews from the United States, excellent sound quality and powerful. This amp is amazing. I'm more about sound quality than SPL, and this paired with my JL12W6V3 is amazing. Highly recommend this amp.